Let's have a look at the Swissy trade that a lot of the guys got into at the Traders Haven forum there. If you look at the pin bar that I'm pointing out to you right now, a lot of the guys triggered short on this here because of the confluence of indicators, the resistance areas, the 200 EMA that we're looking at there, plus the blue box, which is the PBA. So we had the confluence, had a pin bar form, which is a beautiful pattern that we look out for. So if you remember the last video, I told the guys I'll trigger just below the pattern, and a lot of them did. Got into the trade, and you see it's running down short for them beautifully. So I also told them in the last video that if they get to 20-30 pips profit, to put their stop loss break even, and so it was stress-free trade. We don't usually do it that quickly, but this time around I said to the guys, look, I believe it's going to move down, so we need to protect profit pretty early. If they did that, they would still be in the trade. They weren't taken out at break even. They're sitting at the moment anywhere between 60 and 65 pips in profit. And so what I thought I'd do is just make a quick trade summary of this video, of this trade, because of this level that we're looking at there, and the level that we're looking at roughly there. You'll notice that the Swissy bounced around in between that level for a little bit. You can see there and there again. And so what we're pointing out is that this might be a level of support. Swissy might hang up on this level for a little while. I'm not telling you to take your trade off at the moment. Remember, we're targeting the bottom PPA. But what I am telling you is to just take this level into consideration in your management of the trade. So what you can do, there's a number of things you can do. What you can do is you can either move your stop loss down to from break even down to protect some profit, either above the current 4-hour candle's high or the previous 4-hour candle's high. Or you can take a third of the trade off the table right now and leave your stop loss at break even to give yourself a lot of wiggle room. It's up to you. So there's a number of ways you can handle the trade, the management of it. The thing is to do though is be aware of these logical levels, to make sure that you're managing your trade not out of fear but out of logic. And so logic dictates that if there is a possibility that it can bounce off this level and move north again, that you should protect some profit so that you get something out of the trade. So that's what I'm going to do personally. I'm going to take a third off the trade, leave my stop loss at break even, and see if we can get down to this bottom PPA and make sure that we can get the maximum out of this.